Well, you're right that no one informed you. I guess I should have warned you. It's all a contest. And you said they all wanted to hide you, but when they got deep inside you, it's a big mess. And you know me better now, and you see I'm in the middle. And you don't know why, how, but you sold me down your river. And I'm just plain old sandwiched in between. So save your water, woman, I won't drink out of your stream. Well, the shouts of 1,000 disciples and the brass Winchester rifles brought the house down. And I know that it don't concern you, but life's got a way it can burn you. You lose the high ground. And you know me better now, and you see I'm in the middle. And you don't know why, how, but you sold me down your river. And I'm just plain old sandwiched in between. So save your water, woman, I won't drink out of your stream. You're a match that I have burned, you're a page that I have turned. You know the rest. And I never steal your water, it was your whining boss man's daughter, your half-brother confessed. And you know me better now, and you see I'm in the middle. And you don't know why, how, but you sold me down your river. And I'm just plain old sandwiched in between. So save your water, woman, I won't drink out of your stream. Yeah, save your water, woman, I won't drink out of your stream. Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Actually recording this one on a Sunday night, but don't tell anybody. That's our little secret. But thank you so much for joining me again. This is a great song, Save Your Water. It's from Mudcrutch too. It's Tom Petty in a Mudcrutch song. Really a great song. Pretty simple to play. This is a perfect example, in my opinion, of where Tom's vocals just make the song. Because, you know, it's pretty basic guitar stuff, but Tom's vocals make this really interesting and just a wonderful song. Just love this one. So Save Your Water. Let's get right into it. I have the guitar in standard tuning. There's no capo. You just play this all with straight chords. No fancy stuff here. So we're just going to start. I'm going to give you the chords, and I'll play it through once after that, but this will be quick. So we're going to start with the G. Then we're going to go to a C. I'm just going to keep the high G like Tom often does when he plays the C. He grabs that high G. When he plays an F, he grabs that high G, but there's no F in this one. So it's a G to a C, and just back G, C. Then we go to A minor, to a C, back to G, back to A minor, to C, back to G. Now E minor, to a D, back to C, D, G. That's it, folks. Again, Tom's vocals really make this. So I'm going to just do a quick playthrough, and I'll just call the chords as I'm playing it, just to make sure you have it. And we'll call it a night. So it's G, C, G, C, G. A minor to a C to a G. Repeat that. A minor to a C, back to G. Now we're going to walk it down to E minor, to a D, to a C, D, to a G. That's it, folks. That's all you need for Save Your Water by Mudcrutch. Tom Petty, of course. A wonderful track off Mudcrutch 2. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate your support. I really enjoy doing these Saturday night with Tom Petty lessons. I don't know, I just love these songs, so I'm putting them out there. Hope you're getting something out of it. Folks, I will be posting more lessons during the week. And of course, next Saturday night, we'll have another Tom Petty song. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Everybody stay safe. Have a good night. I'll see you soon.